So I'm at the Broward Convention Center with Ariel from hairbymermaid.com. And I just stopped by here and she's doing amazing things with my hair. I've been over coloring it probably, and it's all really ratty at the end. It's cut, but it's a mess. So here's what Ariel is doing. She's got an infrared wand, and she can straighten my hair, she can curl it with these, but what this does is it nourishes the end. Look at that, look at the difference in my hair. And she's gonna come and do this side too, where, believe me, the texture of my hair at the ends was very frizzy. And now with this infrared device, see that? It just turns it into silky, smooth, beautiful. Look at that. And she also has a serum. This serum is something that lasts for a couple of years apparently, just a little dabble needed. And it makes it last so long, look so beautiful. Look at the transformation of my hair. I really recommend that you go to hairbymermaid.com and see what they have for you, and let me know what you think of their products so that we can help you make your hair beautiful, frizz-free. Look at that, what a difference in my hair. It does look beautiful. Thank you, Ariel, and hairbymermaid.com.